In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify verified supplier on 1688. First, open the 1688 app or website, pick any product you're interested in, and tap the store name to enter the supplier's page. Everything you need to verify a seller is found here, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout before you decide to buy. Start by looking for official verification badges near the store header. The most trustworthy ones are Powerful Seller, shown as Shili Shangjia, which means the business has been physically verified by Alibaba and is usually a factory or a large wholesaler. Certified Seller, labeled Renjeng Shangjia or Chengxin Tong, indicates the company has passed paid business verification with identity and documents checked. You might also see Factory, written as Gonghan, signaling a direct manufacturer, which often means better pricing and production control. If none of these badges appear, treat the store as higher risk and proceed carefully. Next, check the store's age, listed as Chengli Shijian or Dayan Ling. Aim for at least 3 years. 5 or more is even better and generally safer. New stores under 1 year can be legitimate, but they carry more risk and require extra scrutiny. Now review sales and buyer activity. Look at Chengjiao Liang for total sales and Huitolu for the repeat buyer rate. A repeat rate of 20% or higher is a strong trust signal. You're also looking for consistent order activity over time rather than spikes that could be misleading. Move on to reviews and photos. Prioritize reviews with real customer photos or videos and start by reading negative feedback to understand worst-case scenarios. Watch for repeated complaints about the same issue, like quality differences or shipping delays. Be cautious if the page shows only 5-star reviews, no images, or many comments that sound copied. Scroll down to the business license section under Qi Ye Xin Xi and Ying Ye Zhizhao. Confirm the registered company name is present and that the business location and product category make sense together. Consistency here strengthens credibility. Before you commit, message the supplier with simple questions. Ask whether they support inspection, whether refunds are available, and how long shipping takes. Fast, clear, and specific replies indicate professionalism, while vague, pushy, or evasive answers are red flags. Finally, avoid high-risk behavior. Do not pay outside 1688. Don't move the conversation to